Can't do more than 10 push-ups? Feel pain in your shoulders, arms burning, neck hurting the next day? Here's the truth. You're not weak. Your form is just broken. You're probably making one of these 5 mistakes, and once you fix them, everything changes. Let's fix this right now. Mistake number 1. Elbows flaring out like you're trying to fly. When your elbows go straight out to the sides, all the pressure hits your shoulders. That's why they hurt. You're basically turning your push-up into a shoulder destroyer. Not fun. Instead, keep your elbows at about 45 degrees, not glued to your body, not sticking out, right in the middle. This protects your shoulders and actually makes you stronger. Mistake number 2. Letting your hips sag like a tired hammock. When your hips drop, your lower back takes all the pressure. Your back is suffering, and your push-ups don't count. To fix, squeeze your core. Tighten your abs and glutes like you're bracing for a punch. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. That's the goal. Mistake number 3. Lifting your head up like you're watching TV. This cranks your neck back and puts stress on your spine. That's why your neck hurts the next day. Instead, keep your head neutral. Look at the floor about a foot in front of your hands. Your neck should follow your spine. No weird angles, just natural. Mistake number 4. Doing baby reps. Going down 2 inches and calling it a push-up. You're cheating yourself out of gains. If your chest isn't getting close to the floor, you're just doing arm wiggles. Instead, go all the way down. Chest should get close to the floor. Then push all the way back up. Can't go that low yet? That's fine. Drop to your knees. Just go through the full range. Full range equals full strength. Mistake number 5. Speed demon push-ups. Going so fast you're basically bouncing. When you rush, your form falls apart. Your muscles don't actually work. Instead, slow down, take 2 seconds going down, 1 second pause at the bottom, 2 seconds going up. Controlled reps build real strength, and they keep you safe. Fix these 5 mistakes, and your push-ups will feel completely different. No more shoulder pain, no more wasted effort, just real progress. Oh, and this is actually my first video, so if this helped you, it would mean the world if you hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more simple fitness tips. Drop a comment and tell me which mistake you were making. Now go try a few push-ups with proper form. You've got this.